Welcome to Nolensville's Bent Creek community, a neighborhood known for its parks, trees, and walking trails. It's Nolensville's largest neighborhood, chock full of amenities like this swimming pool and playgrounds. There are wide open fields, winding streets, and a diverse array of homes from over a dozen builders. Today we're visiting 4624 Sawmill Place, a DAC custom home built in 2011. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the fine finishes that come standard with DAC. The 17 by 11 foot formal dining room has a tray ceiling, crown molding, wainscoting, and a wood floor. Across from it is a hallway leading into bedroom 2, measuring 13 by 11 feet with a vaulted ceiling. Adjacent to it is this full bathroom with granite counter, tile floor, and shower. A few steps away is bedroom 3, measuring 13 by 11 feet. Stepping back into the foyer, we move through the heart of the home and find ourselves walking into the great room. It's 18 by 15 feet with a vaulted ceiling pre-wired for surround sound. There's a stacked stone fireplace with transom windows on either side. The open floor plan leads directly into the kitchen with eat-in. This room measures 22 by 11 feet, has wood floors and crown molding, and cooks will enjoy the granite counters, double oven, and nearby pantry. Just steps away is the hallway entry into the utility room, and then you're at the downstairs master bedroom. Measuring 17 by 14 spacious feet, there's a tray ceiling, crown molding, and a bay window letting in ample natural light. The master bathroom has a double vanity and granite counter. There's a tile floor, private water room, and separate shower and tub. The eye-catching staircase leads you upstairs onto a landing that branches into several rooms. First, the 23 by 15 foot rec room. It's huge with plenty of space for a TV, office furniture, couches, or lazy boys. Nearby is the upstairs full bathroom with granite counter and tile floor, and then you're in bedroom 4, measuring 15 by 12 feet with a large closet. Finally, outdoor living includes a gigantic 19 by 16 foot screened-in porch. You'll love looking out at the greenery and woods behind your private backyard. Come check out 4624 Sawmill Place in Nolensville's Bent Creek before it's gone. To schedule a showing, call my mobile phone at 615-500-6393 or email me at flint@homesaroundnashville.com. And don't forget to visit my website, nolensvillerealty.com, your source for Nolensville real estate.